All right, we have a really large and girthy pod. No cuts, no de-seeding, pure habanero. I have a full cup of milk, but I'm not sure if I'll need it. I've gotten pretty good with this type of thing, but we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. Here we go. Look at the inside of this pod. That's gnarly. Jacket's coming off. I got the hiccups coming on. That's the biggest one I've ever ate. My heat level on this is somewhere north of 5 out of 10. Hiccups, I have no control over. We're gonna go for 5 minutes. Oh. That was a big habanero. Really hot. Got some throat burn going right in here, and definitely all around the mouth burn. I can't do it. 3 minutes in. Cat, get out the way. You want a kiss? Like I said, that was a big habanero. Really burny. We're almost at the 4-minute mark. After 5 minutes, I'm gonna consider this a victory. So yeah, that's the habanero challenge. More hotter stuff is coming. But if you've ever ate one and you don't have experience eating hot things, you're gonna suffer. Got a little sweat going on, folks. They're no joke. 350,000 heat units. Scoville heat units. Runny nose. Well, there's 5 minutes.